Now we're going to do a visual inspection on an RV that we have in our bay. So what we've done is we've taken this slide out and moved out a little bit so we can take a look at some components inside. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the horizontal adjustment inside the cutout of the slide out is equal on both sides. So we're looking at this wiper seal here and making sure that it has good contact on the outside of the slide out and that it's not crimped in or folded or broken, any of those. All the seal is nice and tied up against there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the other side and look at the other wiper. And again, we're looking at the wiper seal is all the way up and down on the slide out, making sure that that contact is there and it's not folded or broken or rotted. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run this room in and make sure that the horizontal and the vertical adjustments are set proper. What we're going to do here is we're going to watch for synchronization. We're looking at the left side and the right side of the unit and that they're moving at the exact same time. Now when this goes all the way in, next we're going to be looking for vertical adjustment. Now the top of the RV slide out is going to touch first and then the bottom is going to suck in. Now that is a proper seal. So now that the room is actually sealed against the unit, we're going to take a look at these bulb seals and make sure that they are sealed up against the unit and that they're 50% of that seal is pressed up against that. And it's forming a good seal on the unit. And we'll check this other one too and make sure that it is sealed up against the unit. Now, if it's not, all of the adjustments that we've talked about vertical adjustments, we've talked about horizontal adjustments. If one side is not sealed up against there, then you know that it's not synchronized and you're going to have to go to that idler arm and adjust that. Now we're on the inside of the unit now and we're taking a look at the seals for the out stops. So when you run the unit all the way out, this seal here is going to seal up against this flange on the slide out itself. Now what we can do is we can look at this seal for damage or anything that could be obstructing the path of the slide out. So you're going to want this seal to seal up against this flange on the slide out itself.